So till this it is a filtering operation. And now I am performing another processing called as thresholding. So this thresholding is one of the edge detection. Whenever you go for image segmentation, the first level to image segmentation is edge detection. Or in other words, you say edge enhancement. First level is actually edge enhancement. So after enhancing the edges, you can easily find the boundary of the image so that you can easily detect the image and edge detection occurs. Once edge detection is over, you can segment, you can cut off that portion alone. This is how segmentation is performed. So for performing segmentation, first you should identify the needed portion in the image. And for identifying the needed portion in the image, you should first perform edge enhancement. After performing edge enhancement, you will detect the edges. Once you detect the required object, then you will cut it off, crop it off. Fine. So thresholding is one such processing step. So this thresholding is also used to convert a grayscale image into a binary image. So you know the difference between a grayscale and a binary image. A grayscale is the one which will have a space from white to black or black to white as the case may be. And in between you will have so many other values also which are in various combinations of this white and black. So you may have 10% white, 90% black, or 20% white, 80% black, 30% white, or 70% of black. Likewise, it results in graying, slowly graying of the image. So you call it as a grayscale image, where you will have white, black, and so many other combinations of white and black. Whereas a binary image, you will have only two values, ones and zeros, either 1 or 0. This thresholding operation will result in binary image, or it will convert a grayscale image to a binary image. So this thresholding operation, we will fix up a value called as a threshold value. Again, this threshold value is arrived at based on the parameters of the image. It may not be just randomly some value. Based on some statistics, we fix up this threshold value. So whichever pixel values which are higher to this threshold value will be substituted by the number 1. Whichever pixel values that lie below this threshold value will be straight away be given 0. So you will have zeros and ones. It results in a binary image. So this binary image helps you in identifying the edges in a better manner rather than grayscale image. That's what while I showed you this kernel, while we were studying this kernel, I told you later on we will be talking about this, isn't it? When these kernels act upon the image, here you can see the edge enhancement, isn't it? Only the edges are getting enhanced here. So this kernel operation has resulted in edge enhancement, whereas this kernel has not resulted in edge enhancement. It has resulted only in smoothing. So this is resulting in one type of enhancement and this is resulting in another type of enhancement. So this is giving still more fine details, whereas this is not.